Hello, my lovelies. Happy Halloween. I have created a Halloween look today. I have enjoyed a lot and I hope you guys will like it too. So, I have prepped my skin already. I have used Clarins moisturizing cream and Giorgio Armani luminous silk foundation. And I have used Anastasia Beverly Hills medium brown brow pomade to prep my eyebrow. So now I'll prep my eyelid with the MAC Painterly pot and we will start creating our Halloween look. Today I'm using Maybelline gel eyeliner, so that I'll use as my base on my eyelid. It doesn't have to be so precise. Remember, we are trying to look spooky, not beautiful. So I'm just placing randomly just bit round shape on an eyelid, and then I'll blend those edges with the black eyeshadow. So for a black eyeshadow, I'm using Urban Decay Blackout. And I'm also going to use Jacklyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and these reds and browns, those colors I'm planning to use on my eyes as well as on my face. So let's create a scary look. So from Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm using like reddish brown shade. So I'm just blending those black color edges with the red brown shade. I'm also mixing two, three colors. I'm just applying random shades. As I said initially, I'm going to use all those browns and reds, and I'm just randomly going through the colors and applying on my eyes. Here, more prominent you can see is reddish brown color, and I'm applying black eyeshadow on my lower lash line too. Now I'm using Revlon Candid highlighter. So I'll just cover my under eyes, just a little bit on my forehead. I have just put it on a little bit faster mode as it's boring to see the same thing, same applications all the time. So I'm just not taking much time. I'm trying to make it as quick as possible. So now I'm using l.a.girl dark concealer. I think it's a Bronze Me Beautiful, but I'll mention all the products in the description bar below. And I'm using L'Oreal True Match Darkest Foundation just to top it up that just to top it up that concealer, Elegant concealer. It's a True Match. It's shade 16N, like, which is darkest shade. And then I'm using that black eyeshadow from Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just applying randomly on my forehead where I've applied that concealer and that foundation. I'm just covering that with that black eyeshadow. I also use a little bit brown, little bit red. I'll mix all the colors. Now I'm using, this is Pat McGrath's felt tip double-ended marker or eyeliner, we can say. This is my most expensive eyeliner, and I must admit it's the most disappointing product I have ever purchased from Pat McGrath. Uh, I cannot use as eyeliner because it will give me patches, but that's why I have decided to draw just the outline on my face, what I want to create. So what I'll do, I'll outline and I'll just make approx place where I want to fill up those place with the Maybelline gel eyeliner. So I'm just using that as my guideline. But this my Maybelline felt tip gel liner, uh, felt tip eyeliner performs 100 times better than this Pat McGrath one. I have also purchased eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, lip gloss from Pat McGrath, and I'm going to do a makeup haul video very soon because that is my most expensive makeup haul, I could say. And Also, I have got some Natasha Denona, but let's see, because I'm not happy with the eyeliner, so I'm very much worried about those eyeshadow palettes too. But I'll show you guys, and then we will also use it, and we will see how it goes. using huge eyelashes. It doesn't have any brand name on it. I just got it from eBay, and actually it is very very nice. It looks so big, but if you curl it with eyelash curler, it gives a nice curly big lash. I really like it. Anyways, this is suitable for this look, so I'm not sure whether I can use it for any other look or not. When I'll try and practice another look, I'll try this eyelashes too. It's huge actually. Sometimes if you don't place it properly, you can't see anything except your eyelashes. So I'm ready with my spooky look. This is first time I have painted my face like this. I have never ever created this any spooky look. This is my first tutorial for Halloween 2020. I enjoyed a lot and I hope you guys will like it too. Um, do let me know in comments below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, all of you, take care, happy Halloween and safe Halloween. Thank you so much for watching.